Alright, this video, it's the HDB 68 and it's 50 joules, shooting with the 8-gram Grimburg Juls. Yeah, I shot one off before I hit record, but I caught the next one after that, and it's about 47, 48 joules, so pretty much the same. Yeah, it's a great gun. I made a short video about this earlier, but it kind of got lost in the pack, so I noticed it doesn't really get noticed much, so I'm just gonna try and make this one into a longer video, because yeah, they seem to get seen more. So let's see here. Yeah, alright, so we'll go ahead and run this video.
Yeah, that's my first one.
First one, there's 371. There's that sharp muzzle sticking out. But yeah, the second one was 363. I think that's, I don't know, that's probably around 47. Yeah, anyways, but I think you could increase this a little bit more. Also, if we decrease the barrel a little bit. But yeah, there's one of the coconut videos. But anyways, yeah, that's that, guys. CO2 HDB right out of the box, just the valve block removed, nothing else done. And I noticed for this one, the HDB, I tried it without a CO2 restrictor. This is a 7.5 version, Joule version. So I tried it without the CO2 restrictor and it works, but I haven't cronied it yet. So anyways, take care, guys.